guys, happy 4th of July. I'm in my backyard. Hopefully my neighbors don't think I'm nuts. But it's the 4th and you can obviously hear in the background that there's fireworks. So in honor of 4th of July, as we always do at Crazy Nerd Productions, or whatever I call this, I'm extremely tired, so I am on very low energy right now. Random dance party. Okay. So I thought I would crack open these babies. Oh. Happy 4th. God. Really good thing I did this outside. Hopping. Oh jeez. Hello. Don't try this at home. Jesus Christ. Ah, that's loud. Got a little schmutz. Little schmutz. Right there. Okay, that's fascinating. Or 5, whatever. Oh. Not so bad to get used to. Flammableness. Inside, okay, I think. I basically just went up to Wisconsin and visited some family, and there's a bug. There's lots of bugs out there. Went up to Wisconsin and visited some family, and that was my thing. I'm going to go out later and go scavenging to go look at pretty fireworks, because it's the 4th of July. But hopefully you guys can hear me, because there might be a little bit of a wind thing. My camera is now full of ash powder, or whatever it is that makes it go. So yeah, that's been, ooh, bugs. Bugs. It's all part of this month, isn't it? Bugs. Ugh. There's bugs everywhere. So I'm gonna go and enjoy the rest of your 4th of July, guys. Bye. Peace out, nerds.